So far, so good. There were a lot of the commandments in the Old Testament. That was scattered all over the first 5 books written by Moses, of course under the Father Almighty's guidance. Now, most of the people of the earth did not knew there were 613 of them, 248 positive commands, and 365 negative. Since you insists on those laws and commands, why you didn't took all of the 613 commands? How about the remaining 603? Try to remind you that if you do not fulfill all the law written therein, you are under curse. The book of Galatians 3:10 said. Meaning, if you desire to be under those laws, the Jewish law, you should have, or you are required to fulfill the laws, the 613 laws, that is your fault, since you want to be under it. You have to obey, follow, and execute those laws, otherwise you are cursed. Read again, Galatians 3:10. Well, the questions still remain, why you talk only 10 out of the 613 commands? On the other hand, our Lord Jesus freed us from them. Let us read the verse. Galatians 5:1. Stand fast therefore in the liberty wherewith Christ hath made us free, and be not entangled again with the yoke of bondage. Sa kalayaan ay pinalaya tayo ni Kristo. Magsitibay nga kayo, at huwag na kayong pasakop na muli sa pamatok ng pagkaalipin. Bisayain nga natin. Alang sa kagawasan gigawas kita ni Kristo, busa, pagligon kamo, ug dili magpasangon pag-usab sa yugo sa pagkaulipon. Unya, unsaon naman, nakaruntor? Huh? Musangon ka di ay, ug utro sa yugo sa pag-aulipon to.